In over 20 years of marketing, one thing stands out as a game changer: creating a customer journey map. Why? Because when you deeply understand your customers' problems, you can speak their language, and that drives sales. What's a customer journey? Think of it as the path your customers take to discover, consider, and choose your brand. It starts with tiny breadcrumbs, social media posts, ads, or recommendations. These spark interest and guide them to the next phase, consideration. Here, they're on a treasure hunt, researching reviews, comparing products, and evaluating their options. Your job? Be the treasure. Provide answers, build trust, showcase your product as the perfect solution with testimonials, case studies, and educational content. This is where your content needs to shine, addressing their questions and concerns, showcasing benefits, features, and real applications of your products. In this phase, it's crucial to build trust and establish authority. Consider using testimonials, case studies, or even engaging blog posts that educate them. And here comes the pinnacle, the purchase stage, the moment of truth. Your customer is ready to click buy. But what are they really feeling? Excitement? Fear? Maybe a tinge of buyer's remorse? It's a roller coaster of emotions. Make it easy for them. Streamline that process. Ensure your checkout is simple, quick, and secure. Eliminate distractions and provide clear information about payment options, shipping, and return policies. This is your chance to reassure them that you're the right choice. But hold on, the journey doesn't end at purchase. No way. It continues into the post-purchase phase. This is where the magic happens. It's all about nurturing that relationship. Think of it like watering a plant. Offer great customer service and follow-ups. Give them reasons to return, like exclusive offers or loyalty programs. Turn every interaction into an opportunity for growth. After a purchase, reach out with a thank you email. Provide them with helpful resources and ask for feedback. This engagement not only enhances their experience, but also makes them feel valued. Here's the catch. Neglect this stage and you might lose them forever. They're just a click away from the competitors. This is why cultivating a customer-centric culture is essential. Every department must play a role in the customer journey, from marketing to sales to customer support. Everyone needs to be aligned on delivering an exceptional experience. Now let's zoom out. What gives your journey map its edge? You need to identify key touch points. Every little interaction matters. Are they enjoyable? Are they frustrating? The secret is in mapping these experiences. You'll uncover areas of improvement, turning pain points into stepping stones. Consider using customer feedback and analytics to inform your mapping process. This data can provide insights into which touch points are working and which need attention. Can you believe customers can transform into advocates for your brand? Of course they can. If you nail their journey, they won't just come back, they'll bring friends. This is where word of mouth marketing thrives. Happy customers share their experiences. They recommend your products and they become loyal supporters. Leverage this by encouraging reviews and referrals, and always show appreciation for their loyalty. Next twist, let's talk about emotional journeys. Yes, customers have feelings, from joy to frustration. Understanding these emotions is key. What makes them smile? What makes them frown? Map these emotions and you'll hit the jackpot. Emotions play a significant role in the decision-making process, and addressing them leads to a stronger connection with your customers. Create opportunities for positive emotional engagement, whether through delightful surprises, excellent service, or personalized experiences. But there's more. Don't forget about customer personas. These are your real heroes of mapping. They shape the journey by providing insights into different experiences and motivations of various customer types. Develop detailed personas that reflect your customer segments, including demographics, interests, pain points, and goals. This information will help tailor your messaging and offerings to meet their needs effectively. Let's take a step further with a moment of truth. What's that? These are critical touch points that can make or break the relationship. Highlight them in your map. Identify moments where customers have high emotional stakes and ensure that those experiences are optimized. For example, the first time a customer uses your product or the moment they reach out for support can significantly impact their perception of your brand. How do you stay ahead? You must keep your map updated. The customer journey cannot be a static document. It's living and breathing. Adapt your strategies based on feedback and evolving needs. Regularly review your data, keep it fresh, keep it relevant. Implement a continuous improvement process using customer insights and performance metrics to refine your journey map. Stay agile and be willing to pivot as customer expectations change. What's our ultimate goal? To optimize the customer experience. A well-crafted journey map creates empathy, promotes collaboration, and leads to innovative problem solving. This is where cross-functional teams can work together to brainstorm solutions that enhance the customer experience. Share your journey map across departments to foster a unified approach to customer engagement. Ready for the secret sauce? Tools like Lucidchart and Miro are game changers. There's actually many others too. These platforms make your journey mapping process visual and collaborative. Create stunning, easy to understand maps and engage everyone on the team. Visualizing the journey helps highlight opportunities, making it easier to communicate with stakeholders. Consider hosting workshops to collaboratively build and refine your journey map with your team. So here's a challenge for you. Take a moment, picture your customer's journey. How does it feel from their perspective? Engage with your customers directly, whether through surveys, interviews, or social media. Their insights will be invaluable in shaping a journey that resonates with them. Think about how you can incorporate the latest technologies such as AI or chatbots to further enhance the customer journey. Explore new channels for engagement like social media or mobile apps and consider how you can leverage data analytics to personalize experiences. Remember, the journey is ongoing, and the best brands are those that continually listen, learn, and evolve with their customers.